চলো শেয়ার স্ক্রিন হচ্ছে না কেন? ও শেয়ার স্ক্রিন হচ্ছে না কেন? ও সিলেক্ট করিনি, সব দিন দিন ভুলে যাচ্ছি। বলো
স্যার। স্যার আমাদের এখানে কারেন্ট নেই আর চার্জও নেই, লেফট হতে পারি আপনার ভিডিও?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
10%
you can
চার্জ
leave
আছে
now,
স্যার।
then you can
ইয়েস স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
in the YouTube I think this. Okay,
ইয়েস স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
okay, welcome. আরেক সমস্যার কেসের Okay, good afternoon everybody. Today we discuss about the different issues and what are the guideline for the students regarding the external examination of the theoretical subject of the diploma in pharmacy part 1 or first year. Previously in the offline mode, generally the conventional mode of examination, all of you know it, but in case of online mode, how to appear and what are the criteria and how to appear and what are the precaution maybe needed, that will be very important. That's why I share all these rules and regulation to appear in the online mode of examination, which is instructed by the West Bengal State Council of Technical Education and Vocational Education and Skill Development. These are the online examination will be started on the in the 20th August to 31st August 2021, and the official website is the www.website.co.in. In this website you can go through it, everything you can got it, and duration of the examination in the 3 hours for the full paper, and your exam will be 3 papers. An institution will distribute the question paper as per the password code eligible student through the mail or WhatsApp or any other mode of online examination before the 15 minutes before the commencement of the examination. So generally one email ID, I think this email ID those I send you at that time, and at the time of examination, before the time of examination. In this case, first send the question paper half an hour, then the password sent to the 15 minutes before the examination, and student have to write the answer script on the question paper in own handwriting and the A4 paper. You can purchase the A4 paper size, and you can prepare this A4 size in this following formats. Each completed answer script must be possesses a font page. Obviously on font page it will be uploaded and share with you, and front page carrying the roll course name, registration number, roll number, subject name and date of examination in the top of the papers of the students, and the front page and the top of the paper only the page number, and student have to print out of the blank font page and print out carefully each day of the examination. This is very important. Your 6 papers, you at least 6 paper, one paper you can print out it. After that you can print 5 pages or 5 to 6 pages. If any problems you can change it. These are the font page I can share with you, or also you can collect from the website also. These are the second page. First of all, you can see the course name in the diploma pharmacy first year, your registration number put here and the roll number. After the registration number, when the form fill up is over, then you got the roll numbers. One is the CIPP code, another is the, and you can put here one is the only this is the same code for all the student, and this is the variable. I think all of you in case of Madhyamik and HS, you got the two numbers. One is the code number, another is the numbers, and the subject in which day respectively you can write here, and the date of examination, the date of examination, and the full signature, not in the short signature, the full signature that will be filled by own handwriting and every day and every pages. Okay, so this will be first page of the examination. After that you can write start the second page, it will be made the A4 pages. So you must this first page in the uploaded font page, then the your answer script will be start, whatever maybe 10 page or 20 pages up, or anywhere any number of pages. So this paper must be font page, never forget it, this attach with the font page. If you forget it, your answer script will not be evaluated. So be careful, be serious to font page attach with the application answer script every day, and proper answer script. Suppose all the page, and even after the examination over, this all these answer script must be packed in your kept in your in your site, that will be submitted after college is opening. So be careful to take care about this font page, even every day be specific, because all this paper suppose ready to, so that will be better. Every day you can this paper filled out and ready to font page, then another page you attach with it. And I think this mode of examination take in case of in your in case in our college examination, but this font page only here the Calcutta Institute of Pharmaceutical, and here is the State Council, this font page, not the before this page. Okay, next, these are the examination schedule. I think all of you know it. The pharmaceutics one, this paper code is very important. Only you can write the paper code also. PH1, PH2, PH3, the pharmaceutics 1, PH1, pharmaceutical chemistry PH2, pharmacognosy PH1 by 3, biochemistry PH1 by 4, education PH1 by 5, and PH1 by 6. Only can be remember it, and the date is very important. Your exam is continuous 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So be careful of this examination. So around 20 to 28, all the examination will be covered. So be serious, and naming of the after that. So these are the font page just in the bigger size. Okay, these are examination schedules. The student must specify the page number at the top of the page, and the answer script number of pages in the specified in the front page. Obviously, the specified number of pages is to be specified for the front page. ফন্ট পেজে কিন্তু তোমাকে করতে হবে, it will be mentioned যে কতগুলো পেজ তুমি লিখেছো, that will be mentioned. মানে your font page is the all the answer script data will be seen. The student must be branch name, roll number, registration number, branch মানে diploma pharmacy, roll number that will be given, registration number and subject, and put full signature, not short signature, in each every bottom of the page answer script, and scan signature of the student of the front page, and answer script will not accept it. So scan signature কেউ বসাবে না, in your own handwriting you can full signature. This is the type of answer script, you can prepare it before to start the examination. These are the page number 1, then the branch name, roll number, you can write this black, this is the format, but just you can write the red color, you can write it diploma in pharmacy, roll number, CIPPP, pharma method, that will be given by the after the form fill up will be completed. Then the suppose these are the roll numbers, registration numbers, and then the pharmaceutics subject code and the full signature of the students. Okay, just you can discuss these are the format, and these are the type. You can just one line you can write your everything, like diploma in pharmacy, roll number, registration number, not mention the registration number, only put the registration number, and pharmaceutics 2 or PH1 by 1, or then full signature. This is the type of answer script. Then after the completion of the examination, student have to send to the scan copy of the answer script along with the field in front page in the single PDF. It is very important. I think all of you know it, how to create as a single PDF file. only one file will be created, and very careful if you which type of way, because the 25 MB only attach in case of Gmail, others mail less than 25 MB. So be careful around this page, full page, and scanning or image, that will be very important, otherwise you cannot send it. So to their institute through the email, generally I take the email, my email ID dsinghcipt@wbsct.ac.in. I also in the examination, I also next time I also share with my email ID which email ID to provide the answer script, and within the times. No, I cannot use the WhatsApp, only can use for the sending the question paper and the and password, or any other online mode of within the stipulated time. And this PDF file should be made in the registration number. What is the PDF file? This is the format of the PDF file number. Suppose this is the pharma 1, this is the PDF 1, registration number underscore ph 1/1. It has slash ache, this slash may be not given in the mobile, that's why ph 1//1. Okay, the slash hyphen 1 slash is replaced by 1. It will prescribed by the council, but in your mobile that slash will be not given. Some mobile will be given, but some mobile not setting for the file name is the PDF file name slash. So just ph slash hyphen 1 Roman 1 and hyphen 1. Okay, then the date of the examination only देखो, the registration number, subject code, date of examination. Suppose your examination with the 28, here is the 27. Okay, just previously just your exam will be start at 28 মানে August 20. This like, okay, just here you can write 200708, no full stop, no 2021. Okay,
স্যার পিডিএফ সাইজ কত হতে হবে স্যার?
ওকে, স্টপ হচ্ছে না। This PDF file is very important, এবং this naming system, if you mistake any sort of mistake, there is a problem in case of collect the answer script. So be careful, this type of format you can adopt, and before that we can one demo examination will be given, and all the students participate them before they start the examination. It will be the 15 or 16, 15 to chutti holiday, 16 or 17 I check it, the demo examination, and this type of file you can send it, and student will be provided additional 30 minutes. That means your exam will be start 10 a.m. and it will be finished 1 p.m. and additional 30 minutes, that means 1:30 p.m. you must be reached in through email to me. Okay, the student will be provided the additional 30 minutes for sending the scanned answer script after the examination. Be careful in your time. Your time is 3 hours for 80 marks, and I try to send the question before 10 to 20 minutes before. When I got the answer script on password, I share with you. But 1:30 p.m. is the last time to send it. But sometimes some students are say that this time and that time will be mentioned. That time will be given by that time check also already see by the state council also. So take care. It will be sent within 1:30 p.m. and also this name, same name, it will be put your email subject also. Suppose that today is the pharmaceutics one, these are the code. You can create a single PDF, and this file name, this file copy from this file, copy it, and it will be put in the email subject also. Email when you send the emails, First the email id, suppose my email id, then the subject just this id, this name you put in the subject. Okay, am I clear? The put in the subject this, মানে these are and these are the pdf file when they're same. So your time will be no, because I can easily identify who students send their answer script or not, or sometimes some students getting their answer script more than 2 to 4 times. So how to reject the one? I can, because I collect only one answer script, one when the latest answer script. So reject the other answer script. You can create this file name. I can easily reject the other answer script, and within the time, be very careful. And this time restriction for the sending the answer script to the institute, and students should be very much careful about it, and must be necessary arrangement for prior appearing in the examination. Before the examination, all the requirements, everything you can. And so simultaneously I convey the message, your network before they start the examination, and your network must be check it. In this way you can improve your network, how, and or any network net pack use extra, because this day is very 3 days 8 days is very important for the examination. So be careful, be take care about the network. And state council strictly instruct that the network issue is not a issue, and network, due to the network, the college and the council both are not responsible. You are sole responsible for the network. So how to send the message at the time, জাস্ট বলি স্যার আমার যাচ্ছে না, এই সব কোনো কথা আসবে না। যদি না পাঠাতে পারো টাইমের মধ্যে, তাহলে ইওর অ্যান্সার স্ক্রিপ্ট উইল বি রিজেক্ট। অ্যান্ড রিজেক্ট মানে এখানে আগে অফলাইনে হলে হয়তো একটু লিখেছিলে সেটা দেখা হতো, এখানে তো আর আসছে না মানে আসছে না, রিজেক্ট হয়ে গেল মানে ফেল হয়ে যাবে। সো বি সিরিয়াস, একটু কম লিখো, বাট দ্য ইনস্ট্রাকশন মাস্ট বি ফলো। কম লিখলে কোনো ক্ষতি নাই, কিন্তু টাইমের মধ্যে তুমি পৌঁছাতে পারলে পাস করবে, আদারওয়াইজ ইট উইল বি ইম্পসিবল। সো বি সিরিয়াস। The time restriction of the sending and subscribe of the institute should be very much careful about it, and must be necessary arrangement for prior. And so for the whole examination process, downloading the question paper of the sending and subscribe, and each of the student in the 3 hours 45 minutes. Okay, before 15 minutes actually I send the, or the 9:45 I send the question paper. Try to it, and you start before 10 you got it. Okay, then 3 hours 30 minutes is time for sending the answer script, and student must be preserve the physical answer script without any alteration. মানে যা লিখবে সেটাই ফাইলের মধ্যে, প্রত্যেকটা ফাইল ইউ ক্রিয়েট এ ওয়ান ফাইল মানে ফোল্ডার আর কি, তোমার বাড়িতে রাখবে, প্রত্যেকদিন এক্সাম হয়ে যাওয়ার পরে সেটাকে গুছিয়ে রাখবে, কারণ দ্যাট উইল বি প্রিজার্ভ and submitted in the college after college will be open until the publication of the result. Making arranged in the physical answer script after the sending, those are the respective institutes should result in cancellation of the examination or any other punctuative actions. The concerned students are advised to take note of the above and contact their respective institute immediately for having the detailed information about the technicalities of the whole examination process, and provides their contact details, email ID, WhatsApp number, etc. Those are institute for receiving the question paper and sending the answer script in online mode on the day of examination. And actually in this examination, not only the your examination, our examination, one type of examination, first of all you collect all the answer script, then it will be sequentially arrange it, and finally the answer script will be sent to the council within half an hour to 1 hour. Actually these are the previous date. In this date I think all of you know it as per the schedule, but another thing is that your form fill up will be started at on 4th, মানে tomorrow will be start the examination, will be start the কি বলি যা কোথায় গেল, যা বন্ধ হয়েছে, start the examination. These are the timing. 4th August tomorrow will be start the form fill up, and you go through that. You can write down this www.bacte.co.in. in the sites you can go through the all the casual, or I think all are regulars students apply for the online mode examination August 2001, and the 4th August will be start, and your registration number is just put the registration number, and the paper is open. Then the all the details, your mobile number and email ID all are given, and the payment mode is the 200 rupees for the regular student. Only pay by the any mode of payment like debit card, credit card, or UPI process. Okay, only 200 rupees paid, and your last date of exam on the 12th August 2021 up to 11:30 p.m. Okay, so up to complete this process, then after that 16th August your admit card will be generated. Same way the admit card you can link go to the same website and put your registration number, and you got the admit card. Only you can download the admit card, no printout is needed, just you can download the admit card and write down the your roll numbers and just put your for the exam or answer script. Okay, then 16 August and your exam will be started on the 20th August 2021. So I think all of you, I hope all of you understood it. Okay, and best of luck for the final examination. Ultimately the examination we covered, and before that there is some sessional and internal examination process. There is a internal matter that will be discussed on later. Okay.